Every engine has a story. Every shop has a heartbeat. But in today's world, being a great mechanic isn't enough. This is where our story begins.
We are at another shop, and I know you guys are sick of hearing about it, but you should be sick about reaching out to us, because today we have done the unthinkable. We have had a record-breaking 25 customer testimonials from our client. Nasir Khan owns Yuba City Auto Works.
When Sean walked into Yuba City Auto Works, he didn't just see lifts, tools, or engines. He saw the weight of an untold story, a business carried by one man, and a truth that had never been spoken out loud, a story powerful enough to change everything if someone finally told it. In 2018, Naz opened Yuba City Auto Works with a lift, some tools, 14 to 18 hours a day, 7 days a week, more time with cars than with his own family.
Right, so when I started in 2018, we were renting the spot. It was just me. I was doing the service writing, the small jobs that were kind of being done throughout the day, and then the big jobs that I would book, I would start on them once the door closed. I spent more time here than I did with my family.
Like most shop owners, he knew social media mattered. He even tried.
By trade, I'm a technician, right? So I don't like video editing. I bought a GoPro, I have a laptop. I just don't have the time because I don't enjoy it. What I excel at is being a technician.
August 2025, one call changed everything. Sean didn't offer likes, he offered a machine.
Problem is that no one trusts shops. Same way people don't trust agencies, no one trusts mechanics. I go to Scottsdale, you see the big dealerships, it's intimidating to people. They need to know someone that they can trust, which is the one you want to give your money to, or is the smaller shop.
Days of filming, a year of content, ads across every platform, and one condition: Storyline works with only one shop per area.
If I was to sign up with you guys, I pretty much, like, you guys won't be like making the same ads for like my competitors, or obviously, right?
I don't need to be competing with myself. There's no value in me working with two of you in the same area.
For Naz, that meant one thing. If he didn't step up, his competitor would.
Fast forward, I signed up with him, and my thought process, literally until they came out, I was very I had like a knot in my chest. I was like, man. But then I told myself, like, Nas, stop being a bitch. What's the worst that's gonna happen? I'm gonna say it didn't work out. But there was like a small voice inside of me where I was like lying to myself, because I'm like, it's social media. Like, everyone is on social media.
Every business owner hits that moment. Stay safe or bet on the next level. Naz chose to bet on himself.
Nasir reached out via email wanting to be seen as the obvious choice, and that's what we've been doing for the past 2 days. We've been capturing his team work in the shop, explain what they do, how they do it.
This wasn't just about views. This was about owning his market or handing it to someone else.
If it's not you, it will be your competitor. He is the only shop here in Yuba that we are able to work with, and we offer him that exclusivity, and we're looking to work together for a very long time.
October was a little busier than normal. November was also busier than normal. Then I was like, oh shit, this shit's actually working.
The what if turned into we don't have enough space.
It is safe to say in 3 months I have outgrown my shop. All those are customer cars. My shop is full to the brim with cars. This entire thing turns into a parking lot. Maybe I have to buy another building. I don't know. I've been eyeing that building right there. Who knows, I might have to buy that building and put like 10 lifts in there just to keep up with the demand. After Storyline Marketing, you're just dealing with so many cars and so many customers. If you're a good person and you do good work and you stand behind your work and you're actually a technician and you take pride in what you do, Storyline Marketing will be the best thing that ever happened to you. But don't think that you could just hire them and then, oh yeah, your job's done. No, that's when your job actually starts.
And if it's not you, it will be your competitor. And Nas is the person that we're gonna help make obvious choice.
In a small town in California, one mechanic chose to be seen. This is Yuba City Auto Works. This is Storyline Marketing. And this is just the beginning.